Hello everyone, welcome back to your English class. Students, in this video, I am going to tell you the meanings of the words which generally confuse the learners of the English language. And they are accept, and expect. Accept and expect. So, let us come to the first word, accept. The word accept means to take something willingly. Something willingly. Which is offered by somebody else. To take something willingly which is offered by somebody else. And it can be a gift, a piece of advice, or it can be an apology. Fine. So, to accept a gift, a piece of advice, or an apology. For example, she does not accept the gifts. I accepted her apology, right? And it can also mean to treat somebody as welcome. For example, we accepted him as a family. One more. The boy was not accepted by his classmates. So, to treat somebody as welcome is also to accept them. Fine. Now coming to the next word, which is accept. Accept means not including something. So, the word accept means not including something, excluding something. Fine. For example, I will write here, the school is open for all days except Sunday. I can answer all the questions except for the last one. So, except, not including or excluding, right? It can also be used as a passive form, and it again means to leave something. For example, children below 5 years of age are accepted from the survey. Right. And now let us see the next word, expect. Means to think hard or to believe. Now expect means to think hard or to believe that something would happen or somebody would come. To expect is to think or to believe that somebody would come or something would happen. Fine. So that is expecting. For example, I expect I will be back on Sunday, right? And its second meaning can be required something. Expect also means required something as a duty. For example, I expect you to be punctual in your work. Requires something as a duty. Think or believe that somebody would come. Clear? I expect I will be same back on Sunday. I expect he will visit me on Monday. Right? Or I'm expecting her visit on Monday. So this is the difference. Some students are always confused between accept and accept. Some are confused between accept and expect. And some are confused among the three of them. So now students, I hope the meaning of all these three words is clear to you. Now let me frame a sentence for you, including all the three words. I accept the suggestions of the board except for the one which the secretary gave, because I expect something else from this proposal. Fine. So I accept means I willingly take the suggestions of the board. Accept means excluding the one suggestion. I accept all the suggestions but for one, not the one suggestion. Which suggestion? Suggestion that the secretary gave, because I expect something else. I am believing something else to happen from this particular proposal. Fine. So that's it for today. Students, I will be back with the next video soon. Till then, goodbye. Take care.